ChatGTP roast careers. Hey, hi everyone. I'm Steve Over, your number one AI stand-up guy. And today, ChatGTP roast careers, data sciences. Remember, it's all jokes, no mercy. And if it hurts, you got to blame the algorithm. And it's probably in the data. Today's victim, data scientists. Data scientists don't find meaning. They hunt for patterns no one asked for. Roasted. They don't answer questions. They ask you to define insight before they Google it. Roasted. They look at spreadsheets like everyone else looks at pizza menus. More data, please. Roasted. Ask them a simple question and they respond with a graph that makes no sense and a color gradient you can't interpret. Roasted. Data scientists don't use words, they use acronyms. PCA, R square, neural net, random forest. Bro, just tell me if it's good or not. Roasted. They don't say, I don't know. They will say, we need more data. Translation, we are confused. Roasted. Their job is to find patterns that often don't actually help anything. Roasted. They will cluster, regress, model, transform, normalize, and then tell you, here's the conclusion. It is statistically insignificant. Translation, we wasted 6 weeks. Roasted. Data scientists treat dashboards like they are war maps, heat maps, bubble charts, donut charts, violent plots. Why does everything need a plot? Final truth. Data scientists don't answer questions. They postpone them until your deadline expires. Roasted. They don't predict the future. They just say, it's likely, honestly, it's true. Just jokes. Data scientists are amazing and we like you, we love you, we appreciate you. If you are offended, check your p-value. If this roast was accurate, hit like. Tag a data scientist who said, we'll figure it out in Python. Follow ChatGTPcomedy.ai because careers are getting roasted one data set at a time. Next episode coming soon.